You gonna give your baby a bath, Claire? That's right. The baby's here. Good girl. Good girl. Wipe that baby good, Claire. You dirty little baby. So, Bear, where are we going to be tomorrow? In Illinois? Mm-hmm. And you know who lives in Illinois, Claire? Grandma and Grandpa. And Grandma.
Fun.
Is that fun? That looks like fun, Claire. Are you having fun? Okay, I think I've had enough fun. You say bye-bye?
Are you going to dry your baby?
Bye-bye.
Is your baby
Bye-bye.
still getting a bath? You want to dry your baby off in the towel?
You say bye-bye, Claire?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We'll see you later, Bear.
Now we're going to show all the people the one that's going to be hamburger soon.
Ooh.
Back up, Leanne.
You're not gonna get us.
No, I want Uncle Dean to see it.
Where?
It's that brown one coming out. The big brown one coming right in the middle, Dean.
Oh, yeah.
That's going to be hamburger. Going to sell this one, that one rather, and the 165 here, this nice black Angus, is going to be in my freezer in about August. Yeah. Hi, you ain't used to all this company.
What do you think of the cows, Claire? What do cows say? What did they say? They're not saying much right now, are they?
You like momos, Claire?
Want it down?
What's cow say?
Oh, you want the ball?
Heck with cow. Oh, one Dean Coco's got the ball.
Thank you. You ready?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Get out of there.
You're on camera.
Yeah, my pants tied, too.
Bye-bye, Moose. Moo. It's like Wisconsin. Claire, are you in Wisconsin for the first time?
Are we in Wisconsin? Are we in Wisconsin? Yeah. See the light? light. There's a lake out there.
Welcome to Wisconsin.
Yeah, I should see this guy over here. He's pretty happy.
Nice to be out of the car, huh?
Yeah. Claire's just not quite sure about it all. He's just kind of still sleepy.
Okay, Bear.
Say bye-bye.
We're gonna go night-night. You say bye-bye, Claire? Bye-bye.
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 You think there's a frog out there? We'll see a frog tomorrow.
How you feeling, Andrew?
He keeps having gas.
You happy, boy? You happy to finally lay out like that, like you like to lay out?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he
Is
was
that
all-
nice?
See a frog?
I better tend to that oil.
Yeah.
Dear frog.
Wow. Look at all this beer.
And herring.
And
Hey, Bear. Go play with your brother. Hi, Andrew. How you doing? Bye-bye. You pushing your brother, Claire? Come on, push him over here, Bear. Push, 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 push. What's wrong, Bear? Push him forward if you can, okay? Can you push him forward?
who's awake? Who's awake? Hi, Claire. What you doing, girl? Okay, can hardly see him, but there's a loon out there in the lake. There's two. There's that one and another one. I wonder if they live here. What do you think, Dean? That's a good one.
Yeah, I bet they do, damn it. I bet they live right on this lake
I
here.
see there's the other one now.
I see both of them.
Well, and I went to Maine to see a loon, and all I saw was a flying one. This is my first loon swimming. Now, why am I not hysterical?
He's just hanging out there,
So, where are the kids?
sleeping.
Mm-hmm. So, you gonna take Claire out on the boat tomorrow?
Yeah.
But the weather's supposed to be like 80 something, right?
Yeah, it's sunny. Not today.
So I bet these loons live here. I bet this is their lake.
Right, I'll go chase him on the boat.
Oh, he's coming closer. Is it 215 or 115? Probably just 115. Probably like 60 something. Where's the other one, I think? See it that one. Pretty. I know this is going to be boring for most people, but I can fast forward. I like it. I like to watch this. Well, there it is. There's Northwood's house. From the back, looking over the lake. There's our rental car. It's exciting. There's a robin looking in the background. No birds on the bird feeder. Birch tree. Shed. Little blue jay. Sure looks like it. There's a robin. I don't know what this is. I think it might be a, I don't know, I lost him.
Oh, some more. Good girl, put it in. You're shucking corn, Bear.